Yeah, hello and welcome to the channel. The name is Laughing Farm. So today on this tutorial or on this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your activation device or the iCloud on your iPhone. So this method I'm going to show only works on the iPhone 5X up to the iPhone X. So if you do have any phone above this that I mentioned, then it will not work for you. So if you do have the phone that I just mentioned, then you can continue watching this video. So first, all you have to do is to download the tool that I'm about to use. So I'll put the links in the description of the video. So here you have the download of the file, which is in zip folder. So first I will have to extract it, but before you do extract, make sure you turn off real-time protection. So move to settings, and then under settings scroll to you see security and Windows update. So click on update and security. So in update and security, move to Windows security. So if you do move to Windows security, the next step is to move to virus and threat protection. So let's move to Windows security. Okay, Windows security, then under Windows security move to virus and threat protection. So under virus and threat protection, scroll to you see virus threat protection settings and click on manage settings. So make sure the real-time protection is being turned off. So after unlocking your device, you can then turn it back on. So now let's extract the file. So we do have the file extracted over here. So let's run it as an administrator. We run the iRemovalpro as an administrator. So here we do have the iRemovalpro right over here. So all we have to do is to connect your device. So my device is already being connected and showing there was a problem connecting to the device, which means we have to jailbreak the device. So if your serial number is not registered, make sure to register it. So I'll give you the link to make registration. So here you click on the jailbreak and wait for the jailbreak, which is the Jailbreak tool to launch. So wait for it to launch. And also this tool, you have to register your device. So the registration will cost you per your device, depending on the device you are about to unlock. So now let's wait for the iRen to launch and continue. So regarding the payment and the registration, I'll leave a link for you to contact me, and I'll give you the price list for your device. So here we do have the iRen running on the background. So now let's move to options. Let's move to options right over here, then allow untested iOS version, then go back, click on the back, and now click on start. So get ready. So the moment you click on the start, the iRen will turn off your device. So let's click on the start key. So your device will turn off and boot into the recovery mode for you to follow the instructions to jailbreak the device. So let's wait. So if your device is 6x plus, you will be using the home key plus the power key. So here I'm using the side power key and the home volume down. So let me click start and continue. So the first countdown you release the power key, and the last countdown you have to release the volume down key or the home key, depending on your device. So let's wait. So now let's wait for the jailbreak to begin. So here we have the jailbreak being started. So device is being exploited. So exploiting the device, let's wait. So exploiting device. So some people do get stuck here, so I'll put a simple manual in the description to fix such errors. So make sure to check the description as well, and also the download link will be in the description of this video. So jailbreaking, loading iron. So here we do have the iron logo, the iRemovalpro logo on the screen. So almost done. So if your device is not registered, you will be prompted that your device is supported or not. So if your device is supported, then you can contact me, which I'll leave the link in the description for you to make payment, and also I'll get your serial number registered. So all done, click done, and then we will proceed to the final step, which is the activate device. So here we have the all done. Click on all done, and let's proceed to the final step. So let's close from the version 2.2. Okay, so now let's close from the iron, then run the iRemovalpro as an administrator once again. So click run as an administrator, click yes, and let's wait for the iRemovalpro to launch. So here we do have the iRemovalpro being launched. So on this time, the service check-in will show you your device's MEID, GSM, Signal, iOS 15.16. So if you do have iOS 16 or running on iOS 16, the tool will work for you. So now let's click on the progress, and you see the moment you click on the activate device, the progress bar will start loading. So after the progress bar being loaded, your phone will turn off and then reboot. So after the rebooting, you will be able to set up your device. So here we have the successful message saying our device is being activated. So let's close the iRemovalpro and wait for the device to be booted. So for the setup, I'll be fast forwarding the setup. So here we have our device almost ready. So here we have our device still on the hello screen, but for this time, if you did set up the device, you will not be prompted to verify your previous forgotten iCloud ID. So let's proceed. So setting up language, let's wait, and now let's proceed. So let me fast forward this part. So now you do have this option. So now let me fast forward the setup. Okay, so we are now done setting up our device. So now let's get to the home screen. So you have our device being fully unlocked. So you will be able to place call, receive call, and also your notification, FaceTime, and also iCloud logins will work. So for this method is untethered, so you can reboot your device, and also you see this Siri is working right over here. So that's it. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe for more useful contents regarding your device. So make sure to subscribe and give a like if this video helped you out. So as I said, the registration, you can DM me, and then I will leave my contact info for you to contact me, and I'll get your serial number registered, and also the price for your device. Contact me for the price of your device. So here we have the device being rebooted, and we will not be prompted on the log to owner info again. Okay, so let me fast forward this part. Yeah, so that's reboot also works fine. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.